Hello, welcome to our A-Level Computer Science Taster Day Minecraft Redstone Logic Gate Map. My name is Mark Adams.
And I am Luca Fisher. I hope you enjoyed the slideshow of our latest Redstone endeavour.
To start off, this is our automatic doorbell. A pressure plate and a button both relay the signal to some note blocks which play a sound.
This all works with a very simple OR gate, which says if either the button or the pressure plate are activated, the note blocks will make a sound.
This is a diamond safety device. It uses redstone to specify whether or not an alarm is played based on two conditions.
Whether the diamond has been removed from the pressure plate and when the glass surrounding the diamond is broken. These conditions were able to be detected by the observers and a pressure plate, which would permanently turn the redstone signal and activate the alarm.
After the alarm has been triggered, the doors close and a bodyguard is summoned to take care of the thief. This is a door that opens when both buttons are pressed simultaneously. This uses an AND gate to detect that.
The door is then open for a very long duration of time.
This is a combination lock. It uses two piston feed tapes which are both triggered by the same button input.
There is a time lock in the form of a daylight sensor, so when it becomes night, the AND gate will deactivate, preventing the person from opening the secret door. When the signal reaches the glass block, no signal will pass through, which will reverse within the NOT gate, which then triggers the AND gate.
The lights that go back and forth were made with an increasing delay linked up to a clock which outputs a signal over a given amount of time.
To activate the note blocks that give off a heartbeat effect, we made two AND gates, which are used to detect if both the buttons are pressed at the same time as when the last light is shown.
This is a complex system made entirely with redstone components like randomizers and a contraption that accurately detects the weather difference between sun and rain. I'm extremely proud of this.
The output is made via an OR gate between the wet ground and the water level, which then connects to an AND gate, which the rain signal goes to, and once there are two inputs that are on, then the alarm triggers.
The solar power section was created with the use of daylight sensors with stone blocks that are placed above them to give the illusion of the sun moving. Each stone block is controlled by 4 randomizers that extend or retract the pistons. And to make sure this is only active during the day, we install daylight sensors set to the night mode, so when it is nighttime the randomizer will not operate.
The power lock mechanism was created via command blocks so that the water level would ascend or descend depending on what you chose. The observer blocks would detect the change in the water level and send a permanent signal to an AND gate, which is also connected to a lever, which would open the appropriate gate depending on the level of the water. The plane was made with a randomizer for both the orientation of the plane and the pressure within the plane, and depending what was selected at the time, it would be transferred to the AND gates that surround the bottom of the plane. Depending on which gate had an output, it would light up which mode the ejector would select for the ejection process.
This is a very complicated contraption. It uses an AND gate from both the radiation levels into a NOT gate, into another AND gate with an OR gate connected to it, meaning the minor alarm only triggers when the major alarm isn't, as well as its other inputs. The roundabout section has 3 detectors for when the cars enter the roundabout, and when 2 activate at the same time, one of the 3 pillars will light up, since there are only 3 pairs. This was made with an array of AND gates.